Hello guys, and I will show you my 3 UTCM save and Pepeto, and I will give and Pepeto. I will try all this but cannot. Okay, let's try that disaster toilet. I like try this to say for plunger. I want to put this in UTCM but cannot cause the bug is here now. I cannot download. I don't think this is first one. Bruh. Next one is Atrotoiled. I don't know this. This is saved by my friend that always like Benson. Look like him. I don't talk about that. Next one is as DJ Toilet V4. I don't know. Toilet V4. Okay. Skibidi Bob. This is look like that, but let's watch. Please sub guys, cause I don't have many subscribers. I need that to my viewers that I will give link in 100 sub. That's okay when I'm yes. I will give link. I don't think this is not good. Next is G-Man. I don't know what. There's no losers. Okay, the Lord of Fate. Next one is Scientist Toilet in episode 68, 16, oh, 69. This is him. I don't know. Okay, next is KBD Toilet and EP 72, episode 72. So loud. Brum brum. This is KBD Bop Bop Bop. Boom. This is Scientist Toilet. I don't think this is gonna be good. Scooby-Doo. This next UTCM is title is new. This by in TV Man workshop that he gave me in 30 subs. Thank you for the link. We're savior. Just kidding. Next is Pepeto Astro Toilet. And then try this one. We'll try this one. This is by Killer Workshop. Oh my god, it's raining. This is by Killer Workshop, and TV Man gave us, all of us, that link. And okay, this is by the like Tutankhamun profile that he looked like dying now. That is the photo of the creator. He made that too. The R. Okay, so this one, I don't think this is Baga. Okay, try. Oh my god. Oh my god. Next is Scientist Machine 1. This is by Fixie Guy, like this. Yeah, he has two options. And this one is the Scientist Machine 2. Is it? Let's go try it. Pew! That is the laser that become yellow. This is TCM Buzzsaw. This by Killer MPG in TikTok. And this is his ability. And this TCM looks good, and I'm very happy of this TCM because so like you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. Next one is TCM Injured by Killer Workshop 2. This is it. And next, TCM No Gun. This one, I don't think it can sleep back. Wait. Okay, next is TCM with with no gun. Okay, let's try it. Okay. Next is this one, with the TCM with the blaster. This blaster is okay. The blaster is working. That's okay. I cannot try because I'm really lazy. Here's the shield. Wow. This one cannot open. Wow. And this is it. That is this one is Tutankhamun by I don't know and that create the Shin Godzilla not done. Oh my god, it's raining. Okay, so this one is no hammer, UTCM with no shield. Okay, isn't it? Boom. I don't think that's okay, but okay. They are the same in that she have hammer, that they are the same. This one next is by create that Astro Toilet and DJ Toilet. We made this. This is our UTCM. I don't know this. Okay, then next is Titan Speakerman by Killer MPG. Someone give me this link, but a YouTuber too. They're the same thing. We have guns. Let me try the guns. If this blue. I'm sorry guys, it's not getting the gun, and I'm so sorry. Next is upgrade DJ Toilet. Let's try this one. Bro, he died with no kill. Next is my UTCM, the body made by Mr. Workshop, and the leg I made it. This look like this one, and his score is like this. That is his score, and this is his guns. But because I copied prayer with no real guns, that I copied this one. That's easy. Next is UTCM2. Use it with guns and with guns. I'm sorry that